This is an instructional Charlie video on samples of Mimio lessons. Most of the lessons were downloaded from Mimio Connect. You go to mimioconnect.com, create your own account, and then you can download lessons by subjects or by grades, or you can search here also by subjects. The first example is on math, real numbers, rational, irrational numbers. This gives you a warm-up problem and an evaluate. Then it gives you the definition. The third slide, it gives you a little activity that the students can come up and grab the numbers and put it in where it belongs. This one only has 6 slides. You can remove whatever slide you don't need or add if you want to add to the activity. The second sample is about US maps, social studies. This one you can use at different grade levels. It has blue, black and white, and color. Whatever maps you need, you can use from here. Whatever you don't, you can remove them. Another sample is on pronouns. This has only 3 slides. It has activities. It has the objectives. It gives you a sample. Then you can work with the students. You can circle the pronouns, or then you can give them the answers if they did it correctly. Indefinite, and it's a plural. Another sample I downloaded. This one has different subjects: language arts, math, science, social studies. It has a lot of slides, different activities. You can use the activities that you need, remove whatever you don't need, save them for later. Pronouns, math. This can be used in different grade levels as well. The samples of science. This one the teacher had it in a PowerPoint and we inserted in Mimio Connect Studio. And this PowerPoint already had a graphic organizer that the students went up with a pen and they wrote samples of potential energy, kinetic energy. She already had it downloaded from the internet and they already had one. If you want to add another graphic organizer, you can insert a new page, and from the gallery templates, graphic organizers, let's say you want to add a column, 2-column, and give more examples of kinetic and potential energy, and the students can come and write it here. More examples. Also in the Galleria, there's more that you can download from Mimio Connect. They call import content packets. This one I download the presidents of the United States. So for social studies, I'm going to insert a new page and it has the presidents. So if you're talking about the presidents, they search on them, you can put the picture of the president and the student can come and write the name of the president, what they have research on. This one's were imported content package and they downloaded to the Galleria. In the Galleria, it also goes to the different subjects. So whatever you have downloaded from Mimio Connect, you can import more images and templates and lessons to your already made lesson. These are some examples that you can download from Mimio Connect for different subjects. Very easy. If you already have it, one already as a PowerPoint, you can open it, file open, and you can just change here to a PowerPoint. This one is at on digestive system handout, and I'm going to open it up. Very easy. And this is my one-page handout. I converted to a Mimio Studio lesson. The students can already manipulate it, pick up the letters, you can call different students and guess what it's supposed to be. I'm not here to be average, I'm here to be, and they put it, the lessons. And this is on the digestive system. So these were some examples that I was able to download from Mimio Connect. Another's open from a PowerPoint that the teacher already had. These are some example of Mimio lessons that teachers can use.